This is a nebula. They are these colossal clouds of gas and dust that span hundreds of light years. They're like cosmic nurseries where all stars are born. The recipe is simple: hydrogen, gravity, and time. Gravity pulls the dust and gas into a giant swirling vortex, and it starts to compress it tighter together. And as matter gets compressed, it begins to heat up. This pressure builds and builds over thousands of years, and the cloud gets thicker and bigger. Gravity forms a super dense, super hot ball at its center. Powerful jets of gas begin to erupt from here. These jets are light years across. Gravity keeps the pressure on, sucking in gas and dust particles, and as they smash into each other, it generates more and more heat. Over the next 500,000 years, it gets smaller, brighter, and hotter. Temperatures at its core reach 15 million degrees. It's at these insanely high temperatures that nuclear fusion begins. Atoms of gas start to fuse together, releasing massive amounts of energy. And just like that, a star is born. It's going to shine for millions, billions, even trillions of years.